I put down more hits than mafioso Mick. And Lucky Luciano about to sing soprano. And I know the way you feel. And baby bubble, we gon' keep it on the real. Just do what you called up and amazing. We puffin' on Cuba, so it might get dangerous. Now when it isn't, you can sit on Bizak and let the biz out, whiz out, ride the Trizac. How you feelin'? I'm at the ceiling, riding like a villain, making a killer, thrilling the crowd with my new hairdo. Outfits from Hughes, $50 socks, $100,000 shoes. Man, I get a boost to them sucker MCs. Who you think? You know who I be. Young nigga, I'm the star.
Doggy dog is dog, and dog and father.
I'm the star.
Doggy dog is dog, and dog and father.
Let's make a move for this paper. While we rollin', dawg, got to get paid, make your money, all y'all. I mean, I step to the stage in my G-boy stance and say a few rhymes to make your girl wanna dance. I'm so fly like a dove, I come from up above. You trippin' on your girl cause she show me love. Nigga, don't beat her, cause if you beat her, you don't need them. You lay your hands on me, watch how fast they take your freedom. I delete them and don't mistreat it. I stay up on them, but that's one to grow on, nigga. Let me flow on, cause you can rock to the rhythm you see, or you can rock to the rhythm of me. But when you do your thing, make sure you do your thing on the hang. And everything is everything. Man, I'm on this paper chase like them white boy DAs was on the case. But you know I ain't trying to floss, but murder was the case that they lost. I'm stuck.
Doggy dog is dog,
You know what's that dog fuck? I'm stuck.
doggy dog is dog,
And you
and
know
dog
that.
What's up, guys? Mastering Tricking just went through a huge upgrade, and there is a lot more announcements to come. But the first thing I want to talk about is the new camera that I'll be using to record from here on out. It is a GoPro Hero 7 Black. I get asked pretty often about the different equipment that I've used to film Mastering Tricking over time. So I want to talk to you guys about what I've used, some pros and cons about them, and what I would recommend for you guys if you're looking to create media from your tricking, whether that be just samplers that you upload on Instagram or YouTube or just tutorials. When Mastering Tricking first started, I'd film on my iPhone. I like filming on the iPhone. I found it's really convenient to just have a camera in your pocket, to just pull it out and shoot it wherever you are. The big things that I didn't like about the iPhone and why I eventually upgraded was the picture quality isn't the best. It is a camera on a cell phone. Now, I also have one of the older iPhones. The newer ones have better cameras, but mostly it was the mic quality. It is a phone microphone, and because of that, it's not the best at picking up sound. So eventually I had to upgrade. After that, I was able to save up some money and I upgraded to this guy. This is a Panasonic FZ1000. It's the first professional camera I've ever owned in my life, and I think it worked pretty well. The only thing I didn't like was, again, the sound quality, so I put a Rode mic on top. Rode is a company that just makes phenomenal microphones. The sound quality is just second to none. I would recommend them just so much. But eventually, I wanted to upgrade from this guy and move on to a camera that had better slow motion capability and one that was a little bit more portable. So I upgraded to, had to turn it on, this guy. This is a GoPro Hero 7 Black. Right now I'm shooting with my, my Panasonic, but this is the camera that I'll be using from now on most of the time. The thing I like about the GoPro Hero 7 Black is that it's an action camera. The slow-mo on that guy will be better than the slow-mo I could find on any other camera on the prosumer market. And it's portable, it's accessible, and I think it'll really let me churn out content a lot faster than this guy, which I loved, but it was just a little bit slow. Guys, I would say my primary background is that of an athlete. Learning about filmmaking, about cameras, equipment, technology, that was all foreign to me when I started mastering tricking. But it has been a joy to learn, to grow, and to start building a collection of knowledge about filmmaking and about equipment. I'm excited to see what this camera is able to help me bring you, and I'm super excited to give some more updates in the future. There's a lot of things to come, guys, and I am beyond excited. Also, I want you guys to go check out Mike Guthrie's GoPro test session. He also upgraded to the Hero 7 Black, so I'm super excited to see what he's able to do with this camera. I'll link it up in the description down below. Go check it out. You can see the goat in amazing slow motion. Thank you guys again, and have a nice day.